Okay, number 12. We clearly saved the best and hardest for last. Um, and we saw this problem kind of yesterday. It's just another take on it. So if you want a more in-depth explanation for this problem, you want to look at problem number 10 from day 41, exam review 1 of 2. That will go more in depth. Here I'm just going to kind of cycle through it and give you the quick. So you got to look at these sides and kind of figure out where they are. So I see AD and AE. They belong to that small triangle up there. And then the other sides, AB, well, that's like the side of the big triangle. And AC is the other side of the big triangle. And we can see, the red here and the blue here, they correspond. The red here and the blue there, they correspond. So we can just kind of compare these ratios. I could just divide these first two things because AD is this red side here and AB is this corresponding blue side. And I could just keep on going along. I could compare AE to AC because AE is that small piece to the corresponding big blue. And I'm just going to verify that they're equal to each other because if they really are similar, then corresponding sides have to have equal ratios. So if I find the pair that have equal ratios, that'll be my answer. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do 15, that first red, divided by 24, that first blue, the corresponding side. So 15 divided by 24. I'm going to hold that value in my calculator, and I'm going to do the next one. This 21 divided by that corresponding 30. 21 divided by 30. And I can see they're not equal to each other. They're different ratios. So if those ratios are different, then there's no way that those triangles are similar. And the trick to this problem is the order is just the same in every single pair. It goes AD, some other side, then AE. AD, the other side, then AE. And then it goes AB and AC, AB, AC, and AB, and AC. So once you've worked out how to set up the first ratios, set of ratios, the rest just follow. So if I did 15 over 24, to check this one, I'm going to do 6 and 18. And I'm going to get 1/3 or 0.3 repeating. And then I'm going to check out 15 and 45. And I can already tell 15 goes into 45 like 3 times, but it's the reciprocal. So that's going to be 0.33333 repeating. So these have equal ratios, and that's how I know B is my answer choice, because those sides, if you set it up in a proportion, you get something that's true, or you can see that those sides have equal ratios, thus showing the triangles are similar. If you want to check and be thorough, do the same thing with C and D, and you'll see that those ratios are not the same. But we're going to end it here. Thank you so much for staying with us for the 2 days of review, and best of luck on your exam tomorrow. See you in class.